Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have this quiz called Can you name the MLB teams on a map? I don't really know what it means, but let's go. That is the Braves. Is that the Padres? That is the Tigers. Right there in Ohio, those are the Indians. Indians. Next, just go next. The Royals. 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 Cardinals. There it is. Okay. The Brewers. And then in Ohio, are those the Indians? Okay. Those are the Twinnies. And those are the Yankees. Dodgers. Angels. Those are the Rangers. Astros. Are those the Royals? Yep, and then that's Rockies, and then those are the Cubbies. I got the Cubs and White Sox. Those are the Seattle Mariners. No, not Seattle. The Washington Mariners. There it is. Okay. And over here, you have the Pirates. Oh, sorry. The Phillies. Where are we now? The Marlins. The Rays. Maryland, the Baltimore Orioles. Really? Was that in the District of Columbia? Is that the Nationals? There it is. Okay, those are the Rangers. Okay, those are the Angels. Angels and Dodgers. These are the A's and Giants. Okay, and the Giants. Those are the Orioles. Down here in Arizona, those are the Diamondbacks. Okay, those are the Blue Jays. And now we're back in Pennsylvania, so those are the Pirates. Now we're in Massachusetts, Red Sox. Now we're back in there, so those are the Reds. And then those are the A's. Woohoo! Okay.